Hi Pisces, welcome back. Those of you who are new, welcome to the Blue Star Energy Tarot with Cindy. I'm glad you're here. So, the dam has sprung a leak. That energy that's been like really holding us in ourselves, the I am, as I say, it has shifted. I'm not going to take all those cards. It has shifted. Hopefully you all feel it and you're starting to move a little more freer. I know it popped for me about a week and a half ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. Anyhow, let's see what we have for you, Pisces. First card out is the Five of Wands. Okay. This is you shifting, changing. This is you trying new things, if you will. Attempting to create something new for yourself. We have Saturn and Leo, trying to rearrange those bricks that you've built for yourself. Seeing what brick fits where, shall we say, or seeing if the bricks still fit for your foundation. Are they spongy, filled with water? Do they need replacing, or do you just need to rearrange them? The Five of Wands can speak of conflicts. I look at it as a networking. You know, like you're going out shopping for shoes and you have an idea what you want, but you end up trying them on. They don't fit right. So you're trying on different shoes, trying to find a new pair of shoes. And that's kind of what I feel with the Five of Wands. It's like you're networking, you're with others, with your own mind, what you're trying to create, and you're seeing what fits. That's what I feel for that. Three of Swords on the bottom. Maybe you're rearranging past experiences that created pain. We have Saturn in Libra, Three of Swords, trying to bring it, well, I want to say bring it in balance, but just understand why things transpired, what caused the pain, and seeing if it fits anymore. Interesting. I feel a reluctance with you. The cards are really hard to pull. Yeah, Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands is the wounded warrior. If you see this gentleman here, he's not wearing his armor. It's on the ground. He doesn't feel the need to be protected anymore. But he does seem to be in some type of contemplation. We have Moon in Sagittarius. Yeah, he's contemplating something, maybe looking over here, wondering, okay, how can I fit what happened to me in my own brain, if you will? You understand what I'm saying? Like he wants to have a better understanding of his journey so far. And he's actually doing it. And perhaps a lot of times I look at the Nine of Wands as being guided. He holds this one staff with the light on it. It's like he's trying to listen to his shadow, his guides, his intuition, to see where to go next. Evaluating the past. Yeah, evaluating the past. Six of Cups. Yeah, looking to see if some past experiences perhaps that created conflict and grief, just trying to put them in check, if you will. This is his emotions. Maybe some of you in that deep dive that we've been in, sitting in our void, maybe something like that will reveal itself to you and help you to rebuild, to reorganize and expand and be more fun-loving, actually. Interesting. All right, Pisces, what else do we have for you? Boy, we have the Ten of Wands. There's a lot of wands here for you. 1 second. There's a lot of rearranging going on with you, Pisces. Some deep contemplation, perhaps even a lot of, excuse the mouth, but a lot of shit's been going on with you. Some fiery aspects. But what I see here is the culmination, that it's the Ten of Wands is like looking at here the 9, he's looking back. He realizes he's coming to a point where it's going to end, or he's understanding his trials and tribulations, if you will, better. And here it is. This is him bowing down. This is Pisces bowing down to the experience and being, I want to say, understanding the lessons associated with them. And again, we have Saturn. I feel like these cards are saying to you the difficult times that you've been in and you looking at them and having a better understanding will really allow you to release and be in that fun-loving energy versus coarse or angry, or, you know, it's like getting rid of the scar tissue, if you will. Interesting. You've learned a great deal along the way, and I feel like you're going into this new cycle, into an aspect of more nurturing for yourself, if you will. 6 of Coins. Moon in Taurus. Maybe you're heading into an aspect where you can balance that which you interact with. Perhaps it's with others emotionally. There's more practicality because you do understand your journey so far. Another reference to the moon. I wonder what you've learned. All right, what else do we have for Pisces? 10 of Swords. Yeah, you're unloading a great deal, Pisces. 10 of Swords. Sun in Gemini. Well, that's where we're at, right? We're in the Gemini season. This is you releasing some really challenging, like monkey brain. You releasing aspects that really gave a great deal of conflict in your mind. You're putting it in order, Pisces. You might not feel it now, but it really is coming to a culmination. It's coming to an end. You know, I really like that, you know, no matter how difficult things are and challenging and how you just want to scream at the world, if you can hold on to that one little piece of that continuum where shit's just happening and it's just bad, know that at some point it will resolve. And it is at that moment of resolution that you get that release. What is it that they say, hitting rock bottom? To know you hitting rock bottom, know that you will go on the upswing. This is a vibration of a 6. More self-nurturing. Being in, I want to say, like in balance, like understanding what you put out, what you get for yourself. Understanding that when you give to another, maybe it's those expectations. Well, I did X, Y, and Z for this one and they didn't do it for me. You know, think about that. I want to say something along the line that, you know, when we do for others, we do it without an expectation of something coming back to us. That's just on a side note. I don't know why that came. Palace of Coins. Palace of Coins to me is, it's like the King of Coins on steroids. I call it heaven on earth. It's actually like obtaining all that you need. You know, really being in a joyful state, moving, navigating freely, being comfortable in your skin. And it seems like you're trying to resolve some mental aspects related to your journey so far with others. The wind is blowing. Blowing, blowing, blowing. Okay, yeah. 8 of Coins. I was talking about give and take, what you offer out. The 8 of Coins is somebody who is quite dedicated. Somebody who is of service. Somebody who focuses their attention highly, I want to say like specific, specialized. It is something that they enjoy, and it's in reverse. So I'm wondering, Pisces, were there conflicts in your job or whatever it is that you focused yourself in as? Was it a missed opportunity of a pay raise, a leveling up? Was it an aspect where you felt like you really gave it your all and you weren't recognized? Or is it just that, you know, in your job it just created harshness where you felt like you just didn't fit in? Interesting. Page of Wands. What I'm picking up with the Page of Wands is you're just trying to find your footing. Trying to find where you resonate. And maybe you just didn't resonate in a particular job, where you were of service, where you gave it your all. Do let me know in the comments below. King of Cups. Yeah, this is you coming right out, Pisces. Yeah, you just want to be your fullest. And maybe that's what transpired. You gave it your all and they didn't give you the recognition. Or the current job that you have really doesn't allow you to resonate and, you know, doesn't highlight your true gifts, if you will. Maybe you're looking for work. 6 of Wands. Yeah, whatever this job, whatever this aspect where you were of service, it didn't help you to expand, did not allow you to be who you were. So some of you are in transition, possibly looking for work. Doing some self-evaluation to see what really does resonate for you. Maybe that's where I was picking up the networking. Yeah. Faith card. The Faith card could represent like institutions, government, religion, the internet, that sort of thing. So I'm wondering if that something like that kind of job that you had, or it could also represent that you're just losing faith in getting a job and you're sitting here trying to figure out how to manage that. 1 second, I just want to lean in. I'm getting toxic job, toxic job, toxic job, and that's a representation here. That's you coming out again, Pisces. What I want to say with the moon and the faith card, trust that you are on this path, this journey, and you're being guided to be in the right place at the right time is what I'm feeling. Something will unveil itself to you. And I want to try to hone in and see where you might be able to find that. 1 second. There's 2 Sagittarius here on the table. And we have the Sun in Gemini. So maybe that job opportunity will present itself during this time period. Maybe look at a Sagittarius might have the answer. The energy helping. Seven of Coins. What I'm picking up in that Seven of Coins, the Seven of Coins is like, it's a like a hamster on a hamster wheel. Feel like you're spinning your wheels. Things aren't working out. You know, it's in the reverse, which tells me that that energy is going to shift for you. You have the tools to change, is what I want to say, Pisces, to change whatever this work, maybe it's work ethics too. You have the power to make the changes necessary and to trust your decisions. Eight of Cups. Yeah, you know, what I'm feeling with the Eight of Cups is your value. How you value yourself, how others value you. And how you value yourself, Pisces, try to step away from that and be in a position of faith in yourself. Know that you have focused on whatever this work is or whatever it represents. Have faith that your turn is coming. Step away from harsh emotional aspects, your emotions. The Star. You don't believe in yourself, Pisces, is what I'm feeling. The Star energy is Aquarius, a lot of water, believing in yourself, trusting decisions, being in a place of balance and healing. And it's in the reverse. It's like you don't believe or trust in who you are, the special uniqueness that you have contained within yourself, Pisces. You might want to look and see why that is. May very well be from when you were a child. Yeah. This energy is shifting. The Hermit. Cultivate what you contain in yourself. Try to look within yourself. I mean, you've been in that energy for the past month or so. It's almost as if what I'm feeling here is that you lack your own confidence. And I want to flip it all for you, but you need to go within yourself to find that light, to find that aspect of yourself and have faith that changing how you view things, how you interpret your past, will change that energy. This energy is really shifting for you, Pisces. All right, Pisces, we're looking at the King of Cups. King of Cups is you. It's your emotions. It's being stable in your emotions. Let's see what else we have on that. Ten of Cups. Happy home, happy family. And it's in the reverse. Now, and I see that here, that you're having a really tough time emotionally. But the cards are pretty clear to reverse that, to understand why things transpired with others in the past, and reorganizing those bricks I was talking about. Saturn, what doesn't work for you anymore? Maybe the relationship was too volatile. People were yelling and screaming at each other. I feel, Pisces, like you're right on the cusp of that energy shifting and changing. Yeah, again, the Page of Wands. Page of Wands is joyful. It resonates. It's joyful. It's like being at a party, you know, feeling good about oneself. But you're just not resonating. You're not. Ten of Cups in reverse. Or maybe it could also mean that you're stepping into such a whole new cycle, right? Like the World card, leveling up. Interesting. Yeah, there's a lot of pain here. This is the second time that the Three of Swords came in. It's releasing some really harsh aspects that you contain between your mind and your heart. This is coming to terms with your past experiences. And that energy weighing on you is giving a challenge to, I guess, your work. This could also reference perhaps a relationship that you focused all your attention, you tried to make it work, and it just didn't work. Didn't repair the relationship. Yeah, releasing the emotional ties to whatever that fear or anxiety, grief, pain is. Rebuilding yourself. Rebuilding. Networking and rebuilding who you are. And acting on it. This may be with other people. Counseling, maybe. Seeking professional help. Yeah. To release that is to step into this new aspect. I'm almost feeling like a loss. A loss. Yeah, I'm feeling like somebody passed on. And it just, you're having a hard time, Pisces. Trying to step forward, trying to release your grief. Palace of Wands. That's trusting that you're being guided. Trusting in the journey. Not giving up. Having faith in oneself. And bringing forward what you have within yourself. Bringing it forward. Ace of Coins. Yeah, bringing forward new energy. Bringing forward a new connection. Maybe with another, we have the Ace of Cups. But this is really about your energy and changing, because we had the 7, that's the 8. That's flipping it around. Adding to it. Yeah. Liberation, judgment. Liberating yourself. Oh, that's beautiful. Liberating yourself to see where you do resonate. That's the 4 of Wands. What I'm picking up, Pisces, is that as you move forward, you will find something new and it will resonate with you. Ace of Swords. 9 of Swords. Knight of Cups. This is you here. It's speaking to the 10 of Swords. This is, you'll get like an aha moment, an idea will pop into your head, and it will help you to release your fear of perhaps, I don't know, whatever, your relationship or a lost job, and you will be able to move forward freely. You'll be able to bring it into balance and have a little better flow in your emotions. Yeah, 6 of Coins. That's the second time we saw it. It actually is a reference. What I'm feeling is, Pisces, give it a try. Give it a try. Try to work in the energy of faith and trust and letting your fear go, bringing out your true nature. And things will change. I wish you all the best, Pisces. Peace.